Hey Jarvis, how you are doing today?
Good day to you. I'm operating at full efficiency, thank you. And yourself?
Hey Jarvis, can you check the events that I have in today?
It appears your day has a luxurious expanse of free time, sir.
Hey Jarvis, can you get me the 100 emails of this week?
I've retrieved some recent emails for you from this week, sir. Here's a brief look. 1. Tasks for Paradigm are awaiting your attention on the Roshel board in Trello. It seems productivity is on the menu.
Hey Jarvis, I want you to send an email.
Absolutely, I'd be delighted to assist, sir. Please supply the following details. 1. Recipient email address.
I want you to send email to this email address proindustries47 at gmail.com.
Your email has been successfully dispatched to proindustries47 at gmail.com.
Hey Jarvis, I want to create and post. Can you help me with that?
Of course, I'd be delighted to help you craft a LinkedIn post. Could you please provide me with the following details?
As you can see in here, the Jarvis agent has created a post as well as an image. Hello everyone, I'm Roshel Pereira from Smartbot Automations and I warmly welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to guide you with an amazing project that I have completed recently. Actually, think like this. Think like if you can have a personal AI assistant like the Tony Stark have. I think you all know about that movie, the Iron Man movie, like Jarvis. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI personal assistant without any coding knowledge. Now, let's see how it works. This personal assistant is capable of scheduling meetings for you and reading emails as well as sending emails, creating social media posts, and there are so many capabilities that we can do. I will guide you step by step how you can create this one, and I think you all enjoy this video. I created this assistant by using Na10. To create this AI agent, I use Na10, a no-code automation platform, and if you want to know how to install this one, check this video out. I have done a step-by-step guide how you can install this. Actually, when it comes to this one, I have connected this one with the Telegram, and this is the full automation. As you can see in here, there are several nodes connected to this. I know this is overwhelming, don't worry. I will guide you step by step how you can do this, as well as I will teach you how to create this one. Let's see this one in action. This is the Telegram bot that I have created that is connected with the agent. As you can see in here, I have tested it several times. Let's test it. Hey Jarvis, how you are doing today? As you can see in here, we can engage with this agent both in text as well as in voice. First, I will show you how it works in voices. As you can see, it sends and text message also. As the specialty of this one is it uses the exact voice that used in Iron Man movie. Let's listen to this.
Good day to you. I'm operating at full efficiency, thank you. And yourself? Is there anything particular on the horizon that's stirring excitement?
Yeah, actually, as you can see, it sounds pretty well. Let's do more testing and see what capabilities does it have. Hey Jarvis, can you check the events that I have in today? Let's wait until it process. The way that it works is it get these responses and forward them into the agent that we have built on Na10, and it transcribes and it use large language model to convert them. I will fully guide you how you can do each step. Let's listen to the response that we have get.
It appears your day has a luxurious expanse of free time, sir. A rare opportunity for relaxation or perhaps an impromptu adventure. Should you require assistance in any other matters, I'm at your service.
Yeah, actually it sounds really well. As well as let's see, now it use a tool to check whether there are any events available on today. As this there are no events available today, let's schedule an event. Hey Jarvis, can you create an event for me? Let's see how it works. As you can see in here, it asks several questions from me, the title as well as the start time and the end time. Now let's listen to the voice response that we have get.
Absolutely, I can help with that. Could you please provide me with the following details for your event? 1. Title. What would you like to name the event? 2. Start date time. When should the event begin? 3. End date time. When should the event end? Once I have this information, I can set up the event for you.
The event title should be creating a YouTube video, and the starting time tomorrow at 3 p.m. and end time would be tomorrow in the same day 4 p.m. Let's see whether it schedules an event for us. Now it's completely created the event. Now let's listen to the voice that we get.
Your event, creating a YouTube video, is primed and on the schedule for tomorrow from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Ready to capture the world with your brilliance, sir? If you require any adjustments, I'm at your service.
Now let's see whether it's getting the events correctly. As you can see earlier, it says that there are no events. By the way, let's test it. Hey Jarvis, can you check my calendar for the events that we have on tomorrow? Let's see whether it's passed this test. I think it's completely created the event, as well as both the functionalities are working. As you can see in here, creating a YouTube video event has been correctly captured. And let's listen to the voice that we get.
It seems tomorrow is delightfully unoccupied, save for your artistic endeavor with the creating a YouTube video session at 3 p.m. A splendid chance to demonstrate your creative prowess. Should you desire more commitments or require further assistance, I'm here at your disposal.
Now I will show you other capabilities of this agent. As this one is connected with my email, this can get emails as well as send emails. Now let's test those capabilities. Hey Jarvis, can you get me the 100 emails of this week? Let's see how it performs. As you can see, it takes a little bit time to get all these emails. As you can see in here, I get all the emails that I have that I was not able to read. Let's see the voice.
I've retrieved some recent emails for you from this week, sir. Here's a brief look. 1. Tasks for Paradigm are awaiting your attention on the Roshel board in Trello. It seems productivity is on the menu. 2. You've received 3 messages from Nick G97 over on. Perhaps a response is in order to keep the conversation flowing. 3. A digest from More Clients with AI includes numerous posts and comments. Plenty of reading material for a quiet moment. If further details are required or if you have more queries, simply let me know.
Yeah,
always ready to assist.
Actually, as you can see in here, it performs these ones super great. Now let's test the sending email capability of this agent. Hey Jarvis, I want you to send an email. Now let's wait and see what responses does it give. As you can see in the screen, it asks for recipient email address, subject line, and the message content, and we also get an voice also. It's I know.
Absolutely, I'd be delighted to assist, sir. Please supply the following details. 1. Recipient email address, S. To whom are we delivering our eloquent prose? 2. Subject line. What shall be our headline at? 3. Message content. What message of significance are we bestowing? Once you've furnished me with these particulars, the email shall be on its way. Sharpish.
As you can see in here, it asks for several questions. This agent works like first it analyzes our message, as well as in order to complete that task, if that agent requires some information from us, it's going to ask this information from us and try to do the task that we assigned him. Let's give this information. I want you to send email to this email address, proindustries47@gmail.com, and it spells like this: proindustries47@gmail.com, and the subject line should be reminding about a meeting in the next week Monday, and the message content should be the message also need to be same. Just send a reminder for this specific email. Now let's see whether it do the work. As you can see in here, it's processing its answer. Let's wait and see whether what it has done. As you can see in here, it correctly captures the email proindustries47@gmail.com, and the subject line also there, reminding about a meeting next week Monday. And it asks for any other information. Let's see the voice that we get.
Your email has been successfully dispatched to proindustries47@gmail.com, bearing the subject, reminding about a meeting next week Monday. Should there be any further tasks to attend to, sir, I'm at your disposal.
Now let's see whether that email has gone. Give me a moment. As you can see in here, the email has sent it successfully. You can check with the time. The subject line also correct, as well as the message also correct. This is a reminder about meeting scheduled for next week Monday. Please make sure if you have any questions or needed further details. As you can see in here, it correctly sent it, as well as the subject line also correct. Now let's see the other capabilities of this agent. Now I think you have a clear idea how this works, as well as what kind of things that it's capable of. And the specialty of this one is the capabilities of this one is only limited by our creative thinking. If we can think a lot, as well as we have knowledge to create these automations, we can do anything that we want, and we can automate any part of our life. Let's see, and this is another good thing that we can do. I will show that to you. Hey Jarvis, I want to create and post. Can you help me with that? I have connected a tool that I have created. As you can see in the screen, it asks for some additional information, topic, tone, as well as the content summary. Let's see, we got an voice also. Let's listen to that.
Of course, I'd be delighted to help you craft a LinkedIn post. Could you please provide me with the following details? 1. Topic. What is the subject or main idea you wish to convey? 2. Tone. What kind of style or mood should the post reflect? For example, professional, casual, or persuasive. 3. Content summary. What are the key points or objectives of your post? Once I have these details, we can proceed with forging the perfect post together.
As you can see in here, it asks several questions from me in order to create this post. Now I will show you how we, with a single voice message, how we can create a LinkedIn post by using AI. Let's see how it works. Hey Jarvis, I want this post about how AI will help in the plumbing industry, and you need to talk about what kind of things should plumbing industry business owners should be know when it comes to integrating AI solutions into their businesses, and the content summary should be also like that. And I want this one to be engaging as well as professional. Let's see how it works. Now it's running in the background, and this will take a small time, because this one will create an image as well as a perfectly crafted SEO optimized post. So it's ready to post on LinkedIn. And the other thing is, all these posts are going to store in a database. As you can see in here, the Jarvis agent has created a post as well as an image. You can see the post is very optimized, as well as it's more easy to read. And it also included my booking link in order to attract more clients. And this is the voice that we have get.
Certainly, sir. Your post is poised for action. The record ID is RESTWX8XYM5AZBMF1L. Shall I engage the posting protocol?
Yeah. Actually, the other thing that we can do is, probably I'm going to teach you this one in the next video. After we created this post, with a single voice command, we can post this one fully automatically into any social media channel you want. Now let's see how the backend functions. This is the automation as well as the agent that I have created using N8N. As you can see in here, it has a trigger that starts with the Telegram. I have connected And if you want to know how you can connect this one with N8N with Telegram, I will do another separate video for that one also. And as you can see in here, it has two separate paths. This is the path if the agent get a text message. As you can see in here, if the text message exists, it's going to be a text, as well as if that message is an voice message, it's going to go in this one. This is the one that get that exact voice that we are going to send to this agent. In here we use a transcription service. Transcription service means it convert audio to text. We use OpenAI whisper model in here, and as you can see in here, we store the text in this variable, and this is the most important one. This is the agent that we have created. This is a tool agent, and the prompt is this. In here I have given several instructions how it should behave, as well as to get the idea of the time, I have given the current time also. As you can see in here, I describe the tools that the agent have access, as well as there are several things, several instructions. By the way, I will post all these ones in my free WhatsApp group. You can join into that and get all these information. There are several things that I have discussed, and this is the most important part. As you can see in here, this is the chat model. For this example, I am using OpenAI from Azure. If you OpenAI from Azure, if you also want to know how you can get $5,000 of free credits, check this video out. I have a step-by-step guide how you also can get $5,000 of API credits. This is the buffer memory, and these are the tools that I have created for this agent. As I demonstrate in the as I displayed in the demonstration, this has email getting tool. We have described it here, and we have put the date and the time date, and we have several labels in here, as well as unread and read emails. As you can see in here, we have put several information about the date, and this is the send email one. As you can see in here, we have described the to, as well as the subject, as well as the message. As you remember, the agent collect this information from us and able to send that email. And this is the one that get events. As you can see in here, I have connected my email, and it get these events by listing the time after as well as the before, and it also have the time zone. And this is the one that create events. As you can see in here, there are several variables that I have created in here: start time, end time, additional information like summary of the event. Now let's go to here. This is the one that create post. I will share that with you. This is the one. As you can see in here, as the first trigger, I have put it execute workflow trigger. By that, this agent is capable of executing this based on request. As you can see in here, I collect all these ones as variables from the agent. Then we do this request. In this one also, I use OpenAI from Azure to get the chat completion. This is the one that create the text part of the post. If you want to know how to create this automation, check this video out. I have a full step-by-step guide on how you can do this one, and I fully explain each and everything in there. As you can see in here, I have two separate Telegram notes also, sending a photo message as well as an normal text message. As you can remember, we got a text message as well as the post, the image of the post. As you can see in here, I store all this information in the Airtable, and the most important one is after we created this one, we need to send a record ID. By that, we can use those ones in the future steps. As you can see in here, I store the record ID and send it over to the agent, so it has a correct idea about that. Now I will show you how I store these posts in Airtable. As you can see in here, there are so many posts that I have created. This is the actual text of the post. As you can see in here, this is the image. I think you remember we get this image. We can fully automate anything like that. The next part of this agent is the Jarvis part. That's the most interesting one. As you can see in here, by using this one, I was able to recreate Jarvis, and I gave its personality and all the things related to that, like always telling sir at the end of a text that's generating. And this is the large language model that we use, same as the earlier one. And by this one, I have put this code in order to remove some unwanted marks like this. By that, it would be more realistic, as well as it would be more natural. The next one is the most important one. To get this Jarvis voice, I use a service named as 11 Labs. You also can use that one. As you can see in here, I have this voice from the list, and these are the settings that I use. And as the final one, we have this send message one. This is the one that sends the text message, and this is the one that sends the voice message. I think you enjoyed the video today, and I really excited to share this with you. And in the upcoming videos, I'm going to share more exciting things. I know this is an engaging project to do, as well as it's very fun to see movie characters in real life, like the AI agent named as Jarvis. And the specialty of this one is these kind of AI automations have a real value for the businesses, cause these businesses can automate so many manual tasks by using these kind of agents. And in the past few months, I was able to sell these kind of agents for businesses for thousands of dollars. And if you want to know how I did it, stay tuned, cause in the next few videos I'm going to teach you how you can do the same and make money from AI automations, as well as create a business on top of AI. And it's really great because I was able to serve many businesses, as well as I was able to get many experience. And I think this AI technology would be super great, as well as this is just the beginning, and there are so many good things that happen in the near future. Stay tuned, and if you enjoy this video, feel free to subscribe, comment and like. That would be super great for me, as well as bring more content like this. And if you in the next videos, I'm going to teach you how to create more advanced agents like this. And really appreciate your time, and thank you.